Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we will be discussing a SQL problem statement that was asked in the Google interview. So let's get started. So we are given a table where we have the student ID, student name, and we have the SAT scores for the students. And the final output that we want is we want to write a query to return the two students with the closest test scores, with that have the closest test scores with the score difference. Okay, fine. So, okay. So, meanwhile, before I tell you the approach, I want you to take a pause and think of an approach that how will you solve the problem. I have also mentioned the create table statement in the video description. So, if you want to basically try out solve coding the problem yourself, you are free to do so. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and I'll tell you what the approach will be. So this is a five-step problem where we will be using multiple subqueries to get the final results. Initially, we will order the table according to the scores so that we have it arranged so that every two scores that have a close difference are arranged in a sequential manner. So after that, we will be creating two columns using next sat score and next student ID using the lead functions. We will be creating these two new columns. Then we will create another new column called score difference, where we will simply subtract the current sat score and the next sat score columns. Then we will rank the entire table according to the score difference so that we will get the minimum score at the very top. And finally, we will filter for score difference equal to 1, which will give us our final results. So I'll go ahead with the first and second step. So here we have done a simple order by SAT score, and then I've put this in a subquery, and I've written a query on top of that where I've calculated two columns, which is the next SAT score and the next student ID. So this is my step one and two. After this, I have done my step 3, which is taking the difference between the next SAT score and the current SAT score, and I've called that column as score difference. So as you can see here, I've put my step 1 and 2 in a subquery, and I've written a query on top of this. So this is my step 3, which is simply taking a difference between your next SAT score and current next SAT score and current SAT score. On top of that, I have done my step number 4, where I have created a rank column and I have ranked it by this score difference column that I created in step 3. Calling this rank column as score difference rank, which is basically the which is basically just a rank column created on score difference. And then I've put this entire thing in a subquery, and on top of it I am finally selecting wherever the score difference equal to 1. So this will give me those records where the score difference is minimum. So this gives me my final output, which is over here. And as you can see, let's have a look at this output. That student ID 3 Alice Johnson has her the score matching with this person whose student ID is 19, and both their scores are 1100 and they have a difference of 0. So everyone that you can see on every pair of student IDs that you can see in this output, they have 0 score difference. That's why all of their scores are 1 and they have been shown in the output. So that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.